Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to reset and recover our Dailymotion account password. So if you have forgotten your Dailymotion account password, what you have to do is first of all open up your Dailymotion application. And after opening your application, now you have to enter your email address. And after entering your email address, tap on continue. And here you have to enter your password. But we have forgotten our password, so just tap on forgot password. And after tapping on forgot password, you have to enter your email address, then tap on reset password. And after tapping on reset password, you will receive an email in your email account. Just open up that email. And after opening that email, here you can see reset password option. So just tap on that. After tapping on that, now you can reset your password. So now you have to enter the password and then re-enter the same password. So after entering a new password, just tap on reset. And after tapping on reset, here you can see you have successfully resetted your Dailymotion account password. So this is how you can reset your password. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.